XAUUSD analysis today, or rather gold USD analysis. So welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we are going to analyze gold against US dollars. And this analysis would be for 21st of April 2025. Right now, we are on the chart. Before I start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also like this video. And in case you want to join my Telegram channel, you will find the link below this video in the description. So click here and you will find all the links. So in case you want to join the Telegram, you can click on this link here and connect with me on Telegram, where we will send you some signals as well every now and then for free. And if you are going to use trading on automation, for example, if you don't have time to do trading manually, or if you don't want to do it manually, if you're looking for some automated solution, then you can check out my program. It says Make Money on Autopilot with Forex Trading. Click on this link. It will take you to this page here where you can check all the proofs and the videos and everything. So you can see this is the, these are the screenshots of the money which I made using the software, the EA Expert Advisor, okay? So yes, go and check out the links below this video. And if you need any brokers, these are the options for you, right? So check out these links, will be helpful to you only. Subscribe, like, check out this program if you want to join the Telegram. And if you need a broker for your Forex trading, you can check out these links, right? Now, coming back to the analysis here. A disclaimer again here, as a trader, these videos are for educational purposes only, and I'm not responsible for any of your profits or losses, okay? Other thing is that I do long-term trading, which means that my analysis is based on daily chart, weekly chart, hourly, or maybe 4-hour chart. So if you are a scalper or a 5 minutes trader, 15 minutes trader, 13 minutes trader, you can get an idea for long-term during my analysis, but I don't really support any short-term trading less than 30 minutes, okay? So starting with the daily time frame, or rather we will go with the top-down approach. So top-down means we will check the weekly time frame first. And in weekly, we can clearly see that the trend for gold against USD, everybody knows it's up, okay? The gold has been in the uptrend for like 3 years now. So you can see it's clearly in the weekly, it's an uptrend. And we don't have any signs of coming it down as of now, okay? So weekly is uptrend for sure. Then we have daily. In daily, what happened on the 17th of April, okay, if I maximize this for you, okay? So on 17th of April, you can see Thursday was the last time. It went down, and then the buyers came and they pushed the gold up. So you see this long wick here. In daily chart, we have the long wick and then we have a red candle. What does it mean? It means that the day ended with the buyers pushing up, pushing the gold against USD. Okay. So if I will be doing the swing trading, I will be looking for longs only. Weekly time frame is, long. Weekly time frame is up. Daily time frame is also, you can see above the line here. So it's also up. Plus we have a confirmation that on Thursday, 17th of April, we have a long wick. Long wick means that the trend or the force of buyers came into the market and pushed the candle upwards, okay? So let's move on to the 4-hour. In the 4-hour as well, you can see we are above the trend, which means weekly confirmation is buy trend, daily confirmation is uptrend, 4-hour confirmation is also buy. And even if you go to 1 hour, even 1 hour is buy. You see here? So there's no reason why you will be taking any sell trades. Be very careful, okay? Only longs. Now, when do you enter? It's entirely up to you. Do you enter in 4-hour? Do you enter in 1 hour? It's entirely up to you. If I give you a scenario of entering into the gold right now, you can see here, I am in 4-hour chart. When the market opens for gold, I don't know if the market of gold will be open tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but I will upload this video, today itself. So whenever the market of gold opens, you can see a long wick came in the second last candle before closing. It was a long wick here, and the buyers came into the market and pushed the candle, upwards. So the negative balance, rather, gold went up, gold went down until here, but buyers came and pushed it up, okay? And after that, we had the blue candle, right? So if you see, the red candle opened at 3328 and the blue candle closed at 3327. So as soon this blue candle will eat this blue candle in the 4-hour chart, okay? So for example, this high which we have is on 3328.365, okay? So this blue candle which you see, so as soon 332.365 will be broken by this blue candle or the next candle, sorry. So as soon 3328 will be broken by the next blue candle, you can enter buy. Okay, you know how it works in gold. We are in uptrend since number of years now. It's only a good idea to take longs in gold. Okay, if you're a short-term trader, do whatever you feel like. I have given you analysis for weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. Even in 1 hour, it's quite simple. You can see here it is going to break this red candle. As soon the next candle breaks this red candle, enter your buy position in 1 hour. What will be your take profits? In 1 hour, your take profit will be this candle. Okay, in 4 hour, your take profit will be this candle, and that's all, right? So I hope you liked the video. So if this was helpful, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and if you want to check out my program, click here. Join Telegram for free. If you're not checking any brokers, this is it. Okay, so I'll see you with some other analysis shortly. Thank you for watching.